કીધું છોડવાનું તમને મેં બુક સ્લીપિંગ માટે બેસી જાઉં બે ભવ્ય ફટાફટ ફ્લિપ કરવાનું
This book, the name is Oliver's Twist. On the front page,
Hitishree,
there
read this
is
book.
a man. There are two men talking. There are total 114 pages and total 26 chapters. At the last, there are questions
Ready, Bhavya?
related to the topics what we have read in it. This book is published by S. Chans and the author is
Done? Yes.
The name of this book is For Me and My Family and Friends. There was maybe 10 chapters and there was 213 pages, and on the 8th page it was a paragraph. A mother is really a mother if she never free, it never free. And on the
topic name is written
front page there was a picture of Mahan Swami and another one, but I don't know.
Yes.
on the last.
And this book has so many morals for our life, for our family, and for our future, and etc. Then
Yes. Any of the content in this book?
S. Chand in the front page is written with a black color.
I don't know.
The
Okay.
topic is written with white
Done.
color.